Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making mug cake. For that you need simple ingredient like all-purpose flour 2 tablespoon, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, and mix the dry ingredients well. After that add 1 tablespoon oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, and mix it and make a smooth batter. After that add some chocolate in it. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Here, your delicious mug cake is ready. Let us know in the comments down below how much do you like this recipe.